Hi guys, we're back on something else, not ArcoLinux. Does it matter? No, because everything you learn on ArcoLinux can be used on Arch and even on Linux. Well, in general, right? If you look at the ArcoLinux Nemesis scripts, I've been on so many distributions lately. So all the knowledge that you learn everywhere can be used just in general Linux. The thing is, last video, yesterday 4363, we built an ISO on EndeavourOS. So AAG is an application that you can install, the ArcoLinux application Glade. It is a 86 videos long tutorial how to create a GTK3 app, and then later on use Glade as GUI, as user interface to create all these buttons and things like that, right? So that's explained in this video. We've rewritten our code a little bit, and that's why we are venturing our way on the other ArcoLinux systems, because there is ATT, the most known probably. ArcoLinux Tweak Tool is an awesome way, and the selling point, I think, as we hear from users, is the option to go to the desktop and actually decide to install any of these, right? And it goes down till here. So it's like 30-ish. We had to abandon a few, desktops, often tiling window managers that are no longer maintained, which becomes in the end a frustration, and frustration is something we don't promote, right? Losing time over something is just no fun. So XD is something we know as ArcoLinux, which is a alias, and XDW another one, which is then if any, right, a Wayland session like GNOME could be, or KDE could be, so Plasma could be, or Hyperlink or Wayfire or others. Anything that's inside that particular folder we know. So now you know I'm on EndeavourOS, have ChatWM, have XFCE. So if you decide to say, oh, it would be nice to have Awesome for once, right, and try Awesome or i3, it's just a choice. You just go down the list and you watch the installation. I always do it like this. Then I know all the data coming by, and I see this is going to be installed, that's going to be installed. And and that's always something we don't know, we have our packages, right? But as you know, what's behind is Pacman, and Pacman is the one governing the packages. If there is a conflict, if there is a key, if there is corruption, then at least you see something in here and you say, I need to do a manual intervention and do this or that. So that's something you should test out. So XD i3 is now extra, together with ChatWM and XFCE. I can't show you unless I exit, so stop the video and make a new video. So let's do that. What the system should do, and it will do it, right? It will copy paste etc things to your folder. Otherwise i3 will be this nice black thing with nothing. Whoa. Let's do some backups. That poof, Arco. So in the config we need to have an i3 check, right? And what else did he do? He do the polybar. So if you decide to have a polybar, which is not really i3, but we had so many distros desktops or tiling window managers with polybar that users said, I would like to have polybar on i3. Sure, you can, right? And the power menu is here as well. So Super Shift X, that's the power menu, rather than Super X, which is the ArcoLinux logout. So all of that is ready. The only thing I need to do is log out and log in to i3, and that's that. So yes, ATT, ArcoLinux Tweak Tool. It's actually Ctrl-T, yay or paru, and you type arch and tweak. It's probably enough, right? So yes, we have it on the repo, of course, right? The official one. But if you want it, you can install it with, well, from AOR with a AOR helper. All right, see you in the next video. We're back in i3.